I just made a free basic gym beginner program. The link is down below for the Google Sheets. But before we go inside the program itself, I want to talk about the mindsets and the principles going inside the program. This is for you if you're not sure where to start, you just want to maintain or even get stronger in the gym and even gain some muscle. So, let's begin. The problem today is not that we have enough information, we have too much information. Since the internet is literally at our fingertips, there's just too much information going at us. So, what we need to do is to simplify things. And I did my best to simplify everything for you today in this video. And as you can see from this very high chart, very high R&D chart, the more simple whatever the thing is, the processes, the actions that are in place, the more consistent we'll be. And the more consistent we'll be, the more we'll reach our goals. So we want to make things as simple as possible, and that's what I did for you today. So when you're actually in the gym, please make sure that safety's first. Also, try to do a warm-up set before so that you don't injure yourself. And when you actually do the exercise, make sure to control the weight going up and down. Again, safety first. And there's two things that we can do. That's inside the gym and outside the gym. Of course, inside the gym, that's what the workout plan is for. So inside the gym, we want to do the workout 2 to 3 times a week, ideally 3. And this is a 2-day split. So for example, here I put, you can do Monday, you do the A, then Wednesday, B, then Friday, Saturday, doesn't matter, back to A. The reason is this, so that we can have a rest day in between. And you don't want to overload yourself too much when you're just starting at the gym. 2 to 3 is plenty. And the other thing that we do outside the gym is, there's 3 things we need to take care of. There's the recovery aspect, which is sleep. You want to be making sure you sleep at least 7 to 8 hours a night. As for cardio, all I'm saying is you shouldn't be like a couch potato. You can't just go to the gym and that's it. It's good if you have an active job, like you're always on your feet, or you can just be active. Maybe have some kind of sport, maybe basketball, pickleball, hiking, or just try to walk outside too. It's not just good for your physical, but also you clean your mind. And nutrition, again, I'm trying to simplify this as much as possible, but just try to eat more protein, more meat, more beans, more vegetables, less junk food. I think you know what that means. Less sweets, less chips. Protein powder is not necessary. Supplements, don't waste your time. We're trying to make things as smooth and simple as possible. And as for the actual weight progression in the gym, just try to do more than last time. If you don't, no big deal. All we're doing is we're making sure that you can go to the gym consistently. That's more important than pushing it to the max. And let's go to the actual workout plan. As you can see here, this is a basic full body 2-day split. This is very basic. It hits all of your muscle groups, your legs, your back, your chest, your arms, your shoulders, your triceps. And on day 2, you can see that there's a 4A and a 4B. That means you can just do a superset, just do one after the other. So you just save some time in the gym. So for example, squats or leg press, you want to do one set, about 8 to 12 reps, and you want to be away 2 to 3 reps from failure. You don't want to go too hard, but you want to make sure that you're pushing yourself close to where your muscles cannot perform any longer. We do this because this is where the muscle grows, really. And you can see Not just one set, it's 3 sets, and across the board for all of them. So once you download the Google Sheet, you can just track all the weights and sets that you do and the reps, as well as the RIR, which means, again, reps in reserve. And that's really it. Try not to overcomplicate it. Just do the exercises. You'll learn as you go. A lot of the exercises you can see online to how to do it properly. But a lot of it is, I think, it's common sense and what feels the best for your body. Some people might just have longer legs than other people, shorter arms than the torso, etc., etc. So your form will just vary. And typically what feels the best and doesn't hurt anything is what works for you. So just try it out, watch some form videos, and just see it, how it goes. And that's it. Again, I try to make it as simple as possible. If you have any questions, just feel free to message me on Instagram, or you can leave a comment too if you like. Thank you for watching, and that's it.